Good evening. I'm Francis Andrei Glorioso from Grade 12 St. Thomas. Let's get started. The title, The Effects of Academic Stress on the Academic Performance of Grade 9 and Grade 10 Students of SPCB. Rationale, the study aimed to determine the effects of academic stress on the academic performance of grades 9 and 10 students of SPCB. The main problem is, what is the effect of academic stress on the academic performance of grades 9 and 10? The specific questions are: number one, what is the profile of the respondent students in terms of academic stress and academic performance? Number two, which academic stress is experienced the most and the least? Number three, how are grade 9 and grade 10 students compared in terms of academic stress? Number four, is there a significant difference in the academic performance of grades 9 and 10 students under eustress and under distress? And for the last question, number five, is there a significant difference in academic performance in terms of academic stress? For the main problem, what is the effect of the academic stress on the academic performance of grades 9 and 10? The tables number 3, 4, 6, and 7 was used for this problem. The statistical tool used was inferential t-test, and for the findings, the computed t-statistics resulted -0.19, and the critical value resulted to 2.26. The t-statistic is less than the critical value. For the conclusion, therefore academic stress has no effect on the academic performance of grades 9 and 10 students of SPCB. For specific question number 1, what is the profile of the students in terms of academic stress and academic performance? Tables number 2 and 5 was used for this question. The findings are: this table shows that the respondents that are under eustress consist of 42% very satisfactory, 34% satisfactory, 14% outstanding, 10% fairly satisfactory, and 0% did not meet expectation. While the respondents that are under distress are consist of same percentage of 43% very satisfactory and satisfactory, while 8% outstanding, 6% fairly satisfactory, and 0% did not meet expectations. The total population of respondents is 162. For the conclusion part, majority of the respondents that is under stress are very satisfactory in their academic performance, while most of the respondents that are under distress are equal with very satisfactory and satisfactory. For specific question number 2, which academic stress is experienced the most and the least? Table 1, frequency and percentage distribution of respondents in terms of academic stress was used for this question. For the findings, the table shows that the respondents from grade 9 that are experiencing academic stress are 59% eustress and 41% distress, while the respondents from grade 10 students that are experiencing academic stress are 76% eustress and 24% distress. For the conclusion, the data shows that the eustress is the most experienced academic stress, while distress is the most least experienced. For specific question number 3, how are grade 9 and grade 10 students compared in terms of academic stress? Table 1 was used again for this question. The findings are: the table shows that grade 9 and grade 10 students is compared by the academic stress that they are experiencing. 43% of the respondents that are experiencing eustress are from grade 9, while 57% are from grade 10. 62% of the respondents that are experiencing distress are from grade 9, and 38% are from grade 10. For the conclusion part, the grade 9 and grade 10 students is compared by the academic stress that they are experiencing, which are eustress and distress. For specific question number 4, is there a significant difference on the academic performance in grade 9 and grade 10 students under eustress and distress? For specific question number 4.A, is there a significant difference on the academic performance of grades 9 and 10 students under eustress? These are the given hypotheses. There is no significant difference on the academic performance of grade 9 and grade 10 students under eustress, while the alternative hypothesis states that there is a significant difference in the academic performance of grades 9 and 10 students under stress. The tables number 3 and number 6 was used for this question. The findings are the t-value calculated, which is 0.316462, is less than the critical value of 1.9822. The conclusion says that we should accept the null, and it states that there is no significant difference in the academic performance of grades 9 and grade 10 students under stress. The statistical tool used here was inferential statistics t-test. For specific question number 4.b, is there a significant difference in the academic performance of grades 9 and 10 students under this stress? These are the given hypotheses. For the null, there is no significant difference in the academic performance of grades 9 and 10 students under this stress. And for the alternative hypothesis, there is a significant difference in the academic performance of grades 9 and 10 students under this stress. The tables number 4 and number 7 was used for this question. The findings are the t-value calculated, which is 0.091979, is less than the critical value, which is 2.0066. The conclusion says that we should accept the null, and it also states that there is no significant difference in the academic performance of grade 9 and grade 10 students under this stress. The statistical tool used here was inferential statistic t-test. And for the last question, specific question number 5, there is significant difference on the academic performance in terms of academic stress. These are the given hypotheses. There is no significant difference on the academic performance in the academic stress. And for the alternative hypothesis, there is a significant difference on the academic performance in terms of academic stress. The tables number 2 and number 5 was used for this question. The findings are the t-value calculated, which is 0.040801, is less than the critical value of 1.9747. The conclusion says that accept the null, and it states that there is no significant difference on the academic performance in terms of academic stress. The statistical tool used here was inferential statistics t-test. That's all, ma'am. This is performance stats in in-person investigation. Thank you, and may God bless us all.